Businesses in all sectors would want to be as good as they can. They attempt to be the best or give the best so they can have good and contented customers. In order for them to be able to do that, they also require good plans and systems that enable them to function efficiently and effectively. What is quality management? Quality management helps businesses ensure that their products or services are good before they get to customers. What is a quality manager? In the current competitive age, it is very much needed for companies to provide good service and quality products. A quality manager makes a firm better all the time. They try their best to improve things within the firm and enhance customers' feelings about the product or service. They always strive to give the best value to customers. Skills and attributes of a quality manager. A quality manager must possess certain skills to perform their role effectively, such as telling team leaders and company bosses what their results mean clearly, directing employees to implement quality regulations, examining products or services to make sure they are of good quality. Communication with team leaders to understand how things are going, being well equipped in business and factory management. Quality manager job description. 7th grade level. A quality manager makes sure products obey company rules and are produced right. They ensure products are clean, safe, and work. Job summary. A quality manager, or quality assurance manager, inspects final products to determine whether they are safe and comply with all regulations. Quality manager duties. What a quality manager will do may vary from company to company. But here are some things in common. Pay attention to customers and understand what they require. Minimize waste and make the team perform more efficiently. Help plan ways to produce new products with an emphasis on quality. Inspect products to confirm that they are safe and durable. Work with managers to find solutions to quality issues. Following are some jobs that are readily available in the U.S. 1. Quality Assurance Manager, U.S. Department of the Navy. This position entails verification and guaranteeing the quality of products and services in the Technical Support Division of the Navy. 2. Quality Project Manager, CVS Health. CVS wishes to employ someone to work from home and help with quality assurance, but only with dental care. 3. Quality Assurance Manager, Shanka Incorporated. This book is assisting various U.S. locations in attaining quality levels and continually improving. 4. Vaccine Quality Project Manager, AMLLC. AMTrace seeks a full-time individual to assist with Orange County COVID-19 vaccine program quality management. 5. Quality Control Manager, Morris Incorporated. Morris Incorporated wants to hire an individual to help them make sure that all parts of their construction projects are of good quality. Key industries that require quality managers. Most industries require quality managers to enable them to create quality products and services. Some of the most significant industries that use quality managers include manufacturing, healthcare, and pharmaceuticals, food and drink, financial institutions, government departments, legal organizations. Train as a quality manager today. Aspire to be a quality expert? Consider iCertGlobal's training programs like the Lean Six Sigma Expert, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Certification, and postgraduate program in Lean Six Sigma. These programs enable you to acquire skills to improve quality and business processes. If you want to be a quality management specialist, the Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certification by iCertGlobal will help you learn about process improvement, data analysis, and team leadership. Two main methods, Lean and Six Sigma, are explained in this course to make business processes faster and better.